Hello children, now we start our GK chapter. Chapter number 41, India and its neighborhood. Since Independence Day, India has tried to keep friendly and the cordial relation with nations all over the world. This India has been involved in a number of wars and the conflicts with the neighborhood countries. Answer this question to find out how much you know about wars India got involved. First, which India leader signed the Tashkent Agreement? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Second, who was the leader of Pakistan during the singing of the Shimla Agreement with India? Answer, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Third, MC Mohan line in the broader line that India shared with the country. Answer is China. Fourth, India's relation with his nation got strained due to the dispute over the Farakka barrage. Answer, Bangladesh. Fifth, which India Prime Minister signed the Lahore Declaration? Answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Sixth, the LOC is the line between the India and its country. Answer is Pakistan. 7. What is the Indian operation against Pakistan? In truth, who crossed the loss in the Kargil sector known as? Answer is Operation Vijay. 8. From which country did India face a aggression in 1948? Answer, Pakistan. 9. In which year did China attack India? Answer, 1962. 10. Who was the Prime Minister of India when India won the 1965 war with Pakistan? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. 11. In 1971, India helped in the liberation of this country. Answer is Bangladesh. 12. In which year was the Tashkent Agreement signed? 1966. Chapter 42, Islands. A piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. Read the clue and write the name of the following islands. The islands country in the Indian Ocean and has been shaped of a teardrop. Its capital in the Colombo, Sri Lanka. Ness is the largest island in the greatest Antilles group. It is known as the Pearl of the Caribbean Sea. It is the largest producer of sugar in the world. Cuba. Third, it is the largest island in the world. About the 80% of these islands covered by an ice cap and many glaciers. Answer, Greenland. Fourth, this island is one of the 50 states of the USA. The capital of this land is Honolulu. It's about the 3,860 km southwest of the US mainland, Hawaii. Fifth, this island is close to Arctic Circle in the North Atlantic. The capital of this islands is Reykjavik. The people of these islands are descendants of the daredevil Viking Icelands. 6. It is the world's fourth largest island. It is the Indian Ocean of the southeast coast of the Arctic, Madagascar. 7. This volcanic island nearby surrounded by the coral reef. It lies about 800 km east of the Madagascar in Indian Ocean. This British brought here Indian worker for sugar plantation. These people, India organized from 60% its total populations. Mauritius. 8. This island is the greatest Antilles group of West Indians situated in the Caribbean Sea, 144 km south of Cuba. This island was first visited by Columbus in 1494 and 1904 Jamaica. 9. This island continent. Islands Australia. 10. This island was discovered by the Magellan in 1521. He was killed by the native of this island while he was taking off bayous around the world. Answer is Philippines. 11. This island, like the Indian Ocean, contains of more than 12 small coral islands in 19 atoll, Maldives. This and the archipelago of east coast of Asia. Its main islands are Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu and the Shikoku. Answer is Japan. Chapter number 43. Value of trees. They are everywhere but we don't even think about them. They are the silent wonder of the nature that make life possible on the earth. Trees are the blessing for us in many ways. They give us food, paper, medicines and wood for furniture. They provide shade and shelter, not just for humans but also to the creatures which live on them. Trees give life to us as they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is vital for us. Trees give us cool and clean air. They also prevent soil erosion. Deforestation on the ruthless cutting of trees is creating many problems. It is the main reason for global warming, extreme of the temperature, floods, drought, melting of polar ice caps, and the rising of sea levels. This destroys the habitat of many birds, insects, and animals. Trees are the wealth for our planet and must be preserved. One Mahotsav, which is the tree planting festival, and affection and the projection should be increased as they help to protect our forest. Our most loyal friend dog. Dogs are the great value and help us companion to man. They are trained for a special purpose like the chasing and draft animals and as the guard. First, the cute breed. First picture pug. German breed. Schnauzer. Wrinkled skin. Sharp eye. The bigger variety, Maltese. It has a blue-black tongue. Chow chow. 6. Avonted hair, Yorkshire. Bark like dog, Basenji. Badger dog, Dachshund. Fastest dog in the world, Greyhound. 10. Largest native carnivorous mammal in Australia, dingo. Smallest breed dog of Chihuahua. 12. Development in the Declaration of Prop Animal and the Companion. Dalmatian has pure blood use and attack of criminals. Bloodhound. A very 14. A very intelligent dog use a police dog, a sniffer as the companion, German Shepherd. 15. Royal dog of equipped, Saluki. Breed from Tibet as watchdog and family dog, Lhasa Apso. 17. A dog from China having a beautiful soft coat, Pekingese. 18. Originated in Siberia for the pulling sleds. Answer Siberian Husky. 46th chapter. Enrich your vocabulary. You see some hints in the first column below. The word or things they indicate as given in the second column, but they are incomplete. Read the hint carefully and complete the word. First column hint, second column word. First, it is the name of the color, brown. Second, you comb your hair with it, brush. Third, it is made over river or road, bridge. Fourth, it gave us shade, tree. Fifth, opposite of enemy, friends. Six, a very popular indoor games, chess. 7, the head of school, principal. 8, a parasite insects, louse. 9, master, lord. 10, a motor bus, lorry. 11, to see, look. 12, borrowed money, loan. 13, faithful, loyal. 14, the movement of lizard, crawl. 15, a machine that keeps things cool, fridge. 16, things even a reward, prize. 18, the son of king, princess. 18, a method of cooking, frying. 19, a small depression of the cheek, dimple. 20, dull, dim.